Hello guys, welcome to GIS. Today we are making a COVID-19 map where we will be showing cases recovered and deaths of every district in Nepal. This is just an imaginary data. Now open your Arc map and let's add our save file. Let's make it hollow. And now let's see its attribute table first. You can see district name, area and perimeter. Now we are adding COVID data. And we will be adding this data on this map. Okay. Now for joining this on district, so right click on district and go to joins and relates, then join. In the first column, choose the category based on which you want to join the data. Here we have district name, and here it will automatically show which is similar to the above data, and then just press OK. Now let's see attribute table. Here our data is already joined. Now we have to export this data. Okay, and yes, we don't need remaining data now, so we can just remove them. This is our final data file, and now we have to copy this and paste on layer. And as we have cases recovered and that's 3 category, we will be copying it 3 times. Now we have to just rename it. But the data inside is similar in all of them. Right cases recovered, and that's in separate file. Now we have to separate each data, so just right click on that and go to properties, and in symbology category go to quantities, and in field value choose the one that you have renamed it as, and you can select as many classes you like, and you can change the color. And we can see so many decimals here, so just remove it by clicking on label, format label, and decrease the decimals. Okay. After this, the map will look somehow like this, and just go to layout view, and now we have to add the recovered data in this. So again, go to symbology and quantities. This time we will be selecting graduated symbols, as we have to add this data on the previous data. So repeat the same process again. Classes, and this. You can change the template and background color, but we have our data on the background, so we will be making hollow. Okay, now we have shown the cases and recovered. Just making landscape, and now adjust it, and we have to show that data also. So let's just make a new map on this. After adjusting it, insert a new data frame where we will be showing dates. Do the same thing as I said earlier. Okay. I've shown you two different methods of showing it. At last, we've added our title to the map. now we will be exporting this map to JPEG form. Go to files and export map and save it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.